Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you are all enjoyed your festivals which were taking place now. So all the pujas, everything is over. So let's start our poem which comes after your second chapter, page number 24. So we have completed our Hanuman and I chapter, which was your first chapter, then the Outlaws report. Now our poem is there. Its name is The Hero. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore, and let's see his autobiography. So here in page number 26, his autobiography has been given. Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861 and he died by 1941, and he was renowned poet, educator, painter and a freedom fighter. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his beautiful collection of verses, Gitanjali. He had a deep interest in children and wrote many poems about them. So, as we know, Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861 and he died by 1941, and he was a renowned poet. He was very well known poet who was very much famous in all his creatures, and he was an educator. Although he was a poet, he was an educator, a painter, and a freedom fighter. And he won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his beautiful collection of verses, which was Gitanjali. Gitanjali was his famous literature for which he got the Nobel Prize in 1913. And this Gitanjali is given to us students also to study in class 10th. You can see in class 10th textbook, you can find out 21 chapter is Gitanjali. It's a poem, Gitanjali. So it was about Rabindranath Tagore, and it was told that he had a deep interest in children and wrote many poems about them. He liked children and he was very much interested in the children, and he wrote many poems about them. So our poem, The Hero, is a story-like poem about childhood dreams and desires. The speaker is a young boy who is inspired by the books he reads and wants to be a hero. It describes an imaginary journey with his mother where he displays great courage and saves her from dangerous dacoits. The poem talks about how children dare to dream big and how, in our imagination, we are free to be whoever it is we want. And this poem, here he says, is like a story like poem. Like children's, it's all about a boy, about his childhood. It has been given about his childhood dreams and desires. The story is the speaker of this poem is a young boy who was very much inspired by the books he reads and wants to be a hero. In your childhood, आप लोग अपने बचपन में बहुत सी बुक्स जो रीड करते हैं या कोई कार्टून्स देखते हैं, ऐसा लगता है ना कि आप लोगों को भी ऐसा ही हीरो बनना है. वैसे ही इस बच्चे में भी एक ड्रीम था, टू बी अ हीरो. He describes an imaginary journey with his mother, where he displays great courage and saves her from dangerous dacoits. So, in this poem, he's been describing about an imaginary journey, एक कल्पित journey, एक सवारी उसकी मम्मी के साथ जो उसने किया था, उसमें क्या क्या हुआ था. बहुत से गुंडे आए थे, उसमें से मम्मी को कैसे उसने करेज के साथ हिम्मत दिखा के कैसे मम्मी को बचाया. इट्स ऑल बीन एक्सप्लेन दिस इन दिस पोएम. द पोएम टॉक्स अबाउट हाउ चिल्ड्रन डेयर टू ड्रीम बिग एंड इन आवर इमेजिनेशंस वी आर फ्री टू बी हुएवर इट इज़ वी वांट. और यहाँ पर बोला गया है कि इस पोएम में ऐसे बच्चों के ड्रीम है, चाहे वो कितना भी बड़ा हो, जैसे अपने इमेजिनेशन में है, बट वी आर फ्री टू बी हुएवर इट इज़ वी वांट. अपने ड्रीम्स में हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी बन सकते हैं, बड़े प्रधानमंत्री भी बन सकते हैं, बड़े हीरो बन सकते हैं, वट एवर वी लाइक। हम चाहे तो जहाज भी चला सकते हैं, और एन एरोप्लेन ऑल्सो वी कैन फ्लाई इन आवर ड्रीम्स। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आवर पोएम, that is the hero. Here mother, let us imagine we are traveling. He is saying to the mother that let us imagine as we are traveling. So I will tell you the summary of this poem. Actually I already told you this, explained this poem in your WhatsApp when we were studying in WhatsApp group. So you all understood. Again once more I would like to explain, because many of you have not were not in the WhatsApp group. So I will start with starting. I will say the summary of it. Okay. So all of you open your textbook, page number 24. So let's start with our poem written by Ravindranath Tagore, The Hero. In this, the speaker is a very young boy. He is a small boy who is very much delicate and a fearful person. Now he has been dreaming about becoming an hero in front of his mother and the society and his brother. So he was dreaming that he and his mother is traveling through a strange and dangerous country, where he was riding on a red horse and his mother is riding in a palanquin. Palanquin is a kind of covered chair which is having carried by 5-6 people, that you have seen in the movies and all. In the old days they used to carry king, queens and all. Or you can say about in your culture also, I think so, that some places I have seen that the bride is being taken after the marriage in that palanquin, that is a what do you say, having a pole from the center which has been carried by 3-4 people in one side, as depending upon the weight of a bride. So here they were riding, and in the evening when the sun goes down, they were traveling through the desert, and in between the desert, some villains, some attackers comes and attacks them. And the boy was consoling his mother that I am there to take care of you, don't worry, I will take care of you. But the mother was very fearful, and she was hiding herself with hesitation under the palanquin with her head down. And his mother listens all the ragging battle which was being held around her, thinking that whether my son is dead or not. But she was hiding in the palanquin. Then she fears for her son's life, but her son was telling that I am okay, I will fight with them. Some of the warriors run away and some are killed. Now he is just taking revenge, attacking those people who came to attack them, and he says that I am killing them with my sword, and some are being running off and some I have been killed. Soon the blood-stained boy announces his victory. Soon he comes and says that my mother, you come out, I have killed all the attackers, and see my body is full of blood. You come out and hug me. And he says that you come and hug me with your whole heart, with the heart. 1 minute. You come out and kiss me, pressing me to your heart.
See the last
he
line.
is pronouncing, or he is announcing his victory, that I have killed all them and I have saved you. In actuality, the boy is a delicate child. He never used to speak out also in front of his friends or in the classroom. And he says that it was a very victorious thing which I have done. So he says that 1,000 useless things happen day after long without anyone escorting me, and I escorted. I protected my mother, where she was in a fear that where the villain will come and attack us. But I escorted her and kept her safe. And he says, and why would such thing come true by chance? So he says that this should be like a storybook when you hear, and my brother who will listen to this, he will obviously say that, is it possible? Because I was such an delicate boy. When something happens, or when the parents even scolds him, he used to faint like anything, and his body becomes very weak, or he will be always ill whenever something or the other happens. But knowing that his brother is asking, he knows that, knowing about me, my brother will definitely ask that he was such a delicate boy, so is it possible that it happens? And people from the village would change their impression about him and admire him. He says that people also, because in the village everybody knows about every person. If a person is very delicate, everyone knows that. So that mentality towards that young boys will also change when they hear about this heroism of this young boy. And he believes that if the villagers comes to know about it, they will change their attitude or their thinking or the impression about me, and they will admire me definitely. So this was a poem explanation summary. So hope you have understood very well. See, he was taking his mother traveling as an imaginary traveling, passing through a strange and dangerous country. He was taking his mother traveling in a palanquin. As I told you, it's a kind of covered chair carried on poles by 5 or 6 people, used as a means of transport in the past, especially by women. And they were it was being taken by a trotting by you on a red horse, and you were on the red horse, the side by side of it. And as the evening comes, as the sun goes down, the waste of Joradhigi lies wan and grey before us. The land is desolate and barren. Waste means an area of land, a large area of land with many very few people. Like सुनसान सी जगह हम बोलते हैं ना, वैसे ही वहाँ पर डेसोलेट एंड एम्प्टी था, और वहाँ बैरन था. बैरन मीन्स लाइफलेस था, कोई लोग वहाँ आसपास नहीं दिख रहे थे, जंगल टाइप का एरिया था. और ये था बांग्लादेश के एक पहले के बांग्लादेश के एक छोटा सा एरिया था ये. ठीक है, तो ये चैप्टर में कैसे उसने एक इमेजिनरी करके गुंडे आए थे, जो थीफ आए थे, उनके वजह से कितना प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, और कैसे उसने मम्मी कैसे डरी हुई थी. भले ही एक माँ को मालूम मेरा बच्चा बहुत डेलिकेट है, तो उनको थोड़ा ब्रेव होना चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ पर इमेजिन कर रहा है कि खुद से ब्रेव हो गया. ही वॉज वेरी मच brave and he was fighting, he was consoling his mother, don't be afraid, I will take care of the things. And mother was shivering, or she was fainting inside the palanquin, keeping her face down. कैसे वो डरे हुए अपना सर झुकाए बैठी हुई थी, और वहाँ पर उसने कितने अच्छे से ब्रेवनेस दिखा के courageously he fighted with those people, and he made everyone ran and were all attacked very well, है ना. And he was telling his mother to come out. See the last line of page number 25. It says that come out and kiss me, pressing me to your heart. कि आप अपने मेरे को एक अच्छे से झपकी दे दो, मैंने इतने बड़े काम किए हैं, इसको मैं आपको बचा लिया है मैंने. एंड ही वॉज एस्कोर्टिंग दैम, और वहाँ से थाउजेंड्स आए थे, लेकिन मैंने सबको मार गिराया है. दैट फीलिंग्स वेयर देयर, है ना. और वहाँ से वो अपने भाई के बारे में सोचता है. भाई को जब पता चलेगा, ही विल ऑल्सो थिंक दैट कितना कैसे मतलब फेंक रहे हैं, बोलते हैं ना, फेंक रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं. तो ऐसे ही ये लोग मेरा भाई मेरे बारे में जानता है, तो वो तो सोचेगा कि इतना डेलिकेट था, इतना निडर डरपोक लड़का था, ये कैसे ही सब इसने किया. और मेरे गांव वाले भी, दे ऑल्सो नोज अबाउट मी, सो एवरीबडीज रेस्पेक्ट विल इंक्रीज फॉर मी. एंड ही वॉज फीलिंग सो हैप्पी. एंड the village people could all say in amazement, was it not lucky that the boy was with his mother? क्या सब विलेज वाले ये नहीं बोलेंगे माँ कितनी लकी थी कि लड़का उसके साथ था कि वो बच के आ गई. So this was Ravindran's poem, The Hero. Hope you have all understood it well. So go through the PDF also which I am sending, and I will send you the answers also the next day. So till then you write, understand the poem, read it well, find out the meaning of the difficult verses, and write the word meanings in your notebook. Then I will give you the answers also. So complete your notebook time by time and try to study. As I told you to learn first and second chapter question answers. So try to learn it. Okay, then all be safe in your place and study well as you were doing in your school classes. Be safe and protect yourself and your family. Enjoy your time also at home, but don't neglect your studies also. Okay, children, bye.